BJP's "बटेंगे तो कटेंगे" and "एक हैं तो safe है" rhetoric has been criticized enough by the opposition for a while. But just ahead of the Maharashtra Assembly election, the party is facing objections from its own members. BJP MP and former Maharashtra Chief Minister Ashok Chavan said, "Slogan 'Batenge to Katenge' is not in good taste and irrelevant, and people will not appreciate it." This comes a day after BJP ally and member of the ruling alliance Mahayuti, Ajit Pawar of NCP, had claimed he supported Prime Minister Narendra Modi's "Ek hai to safe hai" call, but took objections to Yogi Adityanath's "Batenge to Katenge." Apart from him, BJP National Secretary Pankaja Munde, in an interview with Indian Express, categorically denounced Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister's slogan and said, quote, "Frankly, my politics is different. I won't support it just because I belong to the same party. My belief is that we should work on development alone. A leader's job is to make every living person on this land their own. Therefore, we need not bring any such topic to Maharashtra." Also earlier this week, Sana Malik of Ajit Pawar NCP warned that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's "Ek hai to safe hai" call to public could also backfire. In an interview with PTI on Wednesday, Mr. Chauhan said he doesn't attach much importance to vote jihad, dharma yudh rhetoric propagated by Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, as the Bharatiya Janata Party and ruling Mahayuti's policy is development of the country and Maharashtra. Notably, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister and senior BJP leader Yogi Adityanath has been raising the slogan of "Batenge to Katenge" in his rallies ahead of the November 20th Maharashtra Assembly polls. On that, Mr. Chauhan said, and I quote, "There is no relevance of this slogan. Slogans are given at election time. This particular slogan is not in a good taste, and I don't think people will appreciate it. Personally speaking, I am not in favor of such slogans." He said that every political functionary has to take a decision after a lot of thinking, and they must consider whether or not they're hurting someone's sentiments. He said that in Anandpur in Nanded during his election campaign for Mahayuti. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister and BJP leader Devendra Fadnavis last week said vote jihad should be counted by dharma yudh of vote. Asked if poll campaign was drifting away from the issue of development, amid this whole vote jihad dharma yudh narrative, Mr. Chauhan said Mahayuti and BJP's policy is Viksit Bharat, Viksit Maharashtra. He also said, quote, "I don't give much importance to vote jihad rhetoric. Personally speaking, development is my only agenda. Therefore, people appreciate my stand despite me changing party," unquote, pointing out to the fact that he had joined BJP just ahead of Lok Sabha elections 2024 after his long-sustaining association with the Congress.